How do they tackle giant trees and steer trucks through death traps in the snow? Stay tuned for the secrets. Let's go! Let's cheer it on. A massive log and an old World War II truck tackling a steep slope. Can it handle the weight? The road isn't helping, but hey, watch closely. This is a battle worth seeing. Whoa, that fresh dirt road? Yeah, it's already crying for mercy under these big lumber elephants. But check out the teamwork. Bulldozer pushing, truck pulling, and operators flexing their skills like pros. It's raw power meets finesse, y'all. Grit, guts, and a whole lot of heavy lifting. Ain't that something? Whoa, look at that crane go! Ever seen one like this? It's custom built, y'all, designed to lift these ancient logs, some over 50 years old. Careful, steady, like it's handling fragile glass. Ain't it wild how such raw power moves with precision? Hats off to this mechanical genius. Wow! right, folks. Ever wonder how wood flour, yes, pulverized wood, works its magic? It's a superstar. From craft paper to cozy insulation, even eco-friendly beauty products, this stuff does it all. Thanks to the mighty wood pulverizer, trees get a second life in ways that'll blow your mind. Talk about versatility, huh? Check out this dream team, crane, grinder, and truck, all working like a well-oiled machine. These stubborn old logs turned into fine dust in no time. It's like nature's cleanup crew, clearing the way for a greener city. Efficiency, power, and precision. Now that's teamwork in action. Look at that giant log. It's tough, solid, and headed straight for the grinder. Can this beast of a machine handle it? You bet. With a roar and a crunch, it turns that massive chunk into fine wood powder. Incredible! Watching this power in action? It's like a magic show, y'all. Unreal! All right, here's the challenge. A towering tree in the yard, too risky to stand against a storm. But watch the city's landscaping pros at work. Can they bring it down without hitting the house? Stay tuned. Whoa, did you see that flip? That was one wild ride. Thank goodness you made it out safe. With a trusty chainsaw in hand and nerves of steel, this tall tree didn't stand a chance. What a show! we are, folks. A mighty birch standing tall on a steep slope. Any trouble for our operator? Nope, all good so far? They've cut into the left side. Let's see how this plays out. That's one big trunk to bring down. Look up there, a cowboy in the treetops. Why cut it piece by piece, you ask? Well, with houses below, they've got no choice. Watch closely. They're taking down one massive tree with precision. Its massive claw wraps around the tree like a bear hug. Swift, clean, and precise. Efficiency meets muscle, all in one sleek, powerful machine. Now that's what I call effective teamwork. Check out that steel arm, stretching high, reaching far, and turning chaos into order with every touch. It's fast, it's precise, and wow, is it efficient? This isn't just a tree-cutting machine, it's a maestro of tidiness, orchestrating a smooth, seamless operation. Now that's what I call a job well done.